Hello everyone, your Rishmi here from Your Rise Fashion. Hope you all are very well. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive collections only for you, pure handloom one. So let me display. This one is a very beautiful one, bright color, blue shade with beautiful Dhakai work. Resham Dhakai, soft Resham Dhakai with Dhakai Jamdani work with embroidery design. This one is full base part, bright navy blue shade. This one is full base part. This one is applique border and beautiful embroidery design. This one is Resham Dhakai Jamdani buta with embroidery design, very nice one, bright beautiful looks. This one is border portions, beautiful heavy embroidery design, applique border, and this one is full base part, very nice one, smart bright beautiful looks, navy blue base. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, pure soft Resham Dhakai Jamdani with beautiful bright color embroidery design, very nice one, without running blouse piece. Dhakai Jamdani without running blouse piece with beautiful embroidery design, very nice one, bright beautiful smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright beautiful smart exclusive looks. This one also very nice one, a pure handloom spun silk with beautiful fine weaving design, very soft comfortable one, contrast color stripes pattern border, pure handloom spun silk with beautiful golden and silver zari fine weaving, fully hand weaving buta design. This one is beautiful weaving buta design, golden and silver zari weaving work, very nice one. This one is full base part, this one is silver zari buta, and this one is golden zari buta, and this one is full base part, pure handloom spun silk, very soft comfortable one. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully silver zari fine weaving design, very nice one, very soft comfortable elegant look, summer friendly also. And this one is also full base part, beautiful buta, and this one is border portions, fine stripes, contrast color stripes pattern border. This one is beautiful stripes pattern, very smart one, smart stripes pattern border. This one is full base part, beautiful one, pure handloom spun silk with weaving buta design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full piece part, very soft comfortable one. And I will suggest this silk material printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart elegant looks. This one also very exclusive one, very beautiful bright color also, premium quality pure handloom hand spun matka with resham stripes, ivory dye pleats, and pure resham jamdani work. Let me open. This one is split section, beautiful ivory dye, soft comfortable. This one is pleats with resham cell sequence stripes. This one is resham part, cell sequence stripes, and this one is beautiful splits part, shivory dye, and this one is full base part, pure handloom hand spun matka, feather like soft, very nice one. And full base part is beautiful resham stripes with cell sequence design. And this one is pallu part, beautiful one, pure resham with cell sequence stripes with beautiful golden and silver zari, fully hand weaving jamdani buta. This one is full base part, very nice one. This one is pure resham pallu. This one is full base part, beautiful color, bright color, resham silk sequence stripes, and this one is split section, ivory dye splits with resham stripes, very exclusive smart elegant looks. And I will suggest the silk material with heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive bright beautiful smart looks, very trendy one, very beautiful one. And this one also very beautiful bright color, black base, premium quality pure handloom linen by cotton weaving with beautiful work, golden zari weaving work, very nice one, soft looks, soft comfortable one, summer friendly also. Black base with beautiful golden zari weaving design. This one is full base part. This one is fine golden zari stripes pattern border, very smart elegant looks. And this one is full base part, beautiful weaving butta design, fully hand weaving butta. And this one is beautiful border, premium quality pure handloom linen by cotton. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, highlighted fine golden zari stripes with beautiful weaving butta design, fully hand weaving golden zari weaving polka design. And this one is pallu in fine stripes design, highlighted the pallu, very exclusive one. And this one is full base part, premium quality pure handloom linen by cotton weaving with stripes pattern border. And full base part is beautiful golden zari weaving design. Polka, very nice one, soft lightweight comfortable. This one is polka weaving design, very exclusive one. This one is running blouse piece contrast color. And this one is full base part, beautiful border, very nice one, exclusive bright beautiful looks, best for your party wear also. And I will suggest this synthetic material heavy bouquet work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant exclusive bright party looks. Very beautiful elegant color combinations, very nice one, premium quality pure handloom linen by cotton. And full base part is beautiful fine weaving design contrast color border. This one is full base part, premium quality pure handloom fine linen by cotton weaving. And this one is contrast color yellow shaded with golden zari weaving design border. And this one is full base part, beautiful fine weaving design butta. Full base part is heavy weaving one, very nice one, soft lightweight comfortable. This one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, gold yellow contrast color fine stripes design. Pallu very nice one. This one is full base part. And this one is full base part is heavy weaving design. This one is full base part, contrast color piping. And this one is running blouse piece plain. And this one is full base part, very nice one, soft lightweight comfortable, premium quality pure handloom fine linen by cotton weaving. And this one is beautiful contrast color border, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart bright exclusive looks. This one also very elegant one, exclusive collections, pure tussar by tussar with beautiful hand weaving design. Let me open. Very exclusive one, beautiful soft lightweight comfortable pure handloom tussar silk with fine hand weaving butta design. This one is full base part. This one is beautiful hand weaving butta work. This one is full base part, beautiful one, pure tussar silk with jamdani work, fully hand weaving jamdani design. This one is running blouse piece. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand weaving work, fine hand weaving design. This one is beautiful fine weaving pattern, very nice one, pure tussar silk with handloom tussar silk with beautiful hand weaving work, very nice one, beautiful elegant exclusive looks, very soft comfortable lightweight, only 300 grams weight, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material with weaving golden zari weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant looks. This one also very nice one, beautiful color combinations, golden and silver zari contrast weaving design, very nice one, beautiful one, kota silk, pure handloom kota silk with golden and silver zari contrast weaving design. This one is full base part. Full base part is beautiful golden zari weaving design, heavy weaving design work. This one is full base part of white cream shade, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fine weaving design, golden zari, fine weaving design pallu. Very nice one, elegant, exclusive, trendy looks. And this one is border portions, beautiful one, highlighted silver zari weaving work. And this one is beautiful Buddha pattern weaving design, Kota silk with fine weaving design. Very nice one, pure handloom one with heavy work, best for your party wear also. Very elegant color combinations. This one is full base part, and this one is border. And this one is running blouse piece with beautiful border design. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving Buddha work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, trendy, bright party looks. And this one is very exclusive one, trendy, smart looks. Pure muslin with beautiful hand weaving work. Very nice one, premium quality, pure handloom muslin silk with beautiful hand weaving design. This one is border portion, fully white threaded silk material, threaded weaving design, stripes pattern border. And this one is full base part, pure muslin. And this one is beautiful fine hand weaving border design, stripes pattern. And this one is full base part, beautiful weaving Buddha design, fully hand weaving Buddha work. This one is beautiful work, fully hand weaving design, pure muslin, transparent. And this one is running blouse piece. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, bright black shade with contrast color, threaded weaving design, fully hand weaving design work. This one is pallu, highlighted stripes pattern, beautiful weaving Buddha design. And this one is pallu part, beautiful heavy work, fully hand weaving work. And this one is full base part, pure handloom, premium quality, pure handloom muslin silk with fine weaving design. Very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving Buddha work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, elegant, exclusive looks, bright looks. It's a very beautiful one, beautiful color combinations, premium quality, pure handloom silk lane with Banarasi weaving work. Very nice one, beautiful color combinations. This one is full base part, beautiful color. This one is full base part, beautiful fine weaving design Buddha. This one is border portions, fine weaving Banarasi work, copper golden shade zari work. And this one is full base part, beautiful fine weaving Buddha design. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fully fine copper color golden zari weaving design pallu. Very nice one, beautiful elegant looks. And this one is border portions, wide border with beautiful fine weaving design. Very nice one. This one is full base part, beautiful weaving Buddha work, premium quality, pure handloom silk lane. And this one is border portions, fine weaving design, copper golden shade border. This one is full base part. And this one is running blouse piece. Very nice one, elegant, exclusive looks and beautiful pom-pom design pallu. Very nice one, fully designed piece. This one is full base part. This one is beautiful border and fine weaving Buddha. Very nice one, exclusive looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, smart, elegant looks. This one also very exclusive one, pure tussar silk with beautiful hand weaving work. Very nice one, beautiful color combination, soft, lightweight, pure tussar silk with pure handloom tussar silk with jamdani weaving design, fine weaving design. This one is full base part. This one is 1 inch golden zari border. Very smart, elegant looks with fine weaving Buddha. This one is full base part, fine weaving Buddha work, pure tussar silk. And this one is running blouse piece. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fine weaving design pallu. This one is beautiful fine weaving design, pure tussar silk with hand weaving design. fine weaving design, very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, only 300 gram white, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material with buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant, exclusive, trendy, smart looks. This one also, very beautiful one, best for your office wear also. Very elegant looks, premium quality, pure handloom, natural fabric, lien by lien, golden zari border and peach shade, golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful golden zari checks. Premium quality, pure handloom, natural fabric, lien by lien with beautiful checks design, golden zari border, contrast dark pink piping, and this one is peach shade, beautiful full base part is zari work, zari checks, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, stripes pattern, golden zari stripes pattern pallu. Very elegant, smart look, soft, lightweight, comfortable, natural fabric, lien by lien with beautiful golden zari checks. And I will suggest this brocade work, synthetic material brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, smart, elegant looks. This one also very bright, beautiful, exclusive one, premium quality, pure handloom charka cotton with beautiful hand weaving design, very nice one. This one is full base part, beautiful color combinations also. This one is full base part, bright green shade, bottle green shade, and this one is border portions, fine, fully fine weaving design border. This one is beautiful weaving pattern border, and full base part is piece motif, fully hand weaving small buta, and this one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom charka cotton with fine weaving design, very nice one, elegant, exclusive, trendy looks. This one is fine border design, and this one is full base part, bright color, beautiful one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one. This one is fully hand weaving pallu, highlight. This one is beautiful hand weaving buta design, highlighted the pallu part, and full pallu is piece motif, heavy weaving design, fully hand weaving work, pure handloom charka cotton. Smart, exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant, smart, bright, exclusive looks. Very beautiful color, navy blue shade with silver zari weaving work, very nice one, premium quality, pure handloom, lien by cotton weaving with contrast border, and full base part is silver zari weaving work. This one is full base part, beautiful one. This one is contrast color border, silver zari with red contrast threaded weaving design border, and this one is full base part, fine weaving, smart fine weaving buta design, full base part, silver zari weaving work, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom, lien by cotton weaving. This one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, silver zari fine stripes pallu. This one is beautiful stripes pattern, and this one is full base part, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom, lien by cotton weaving with silver zari weaving design, full base part. This one is contrast color piping. This one is running blouse piece. This one is full base part, silver zari work, and this one is pallu part, very elegant, exclusive, smart looks. This one is beautiful border, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material checks with buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant, exclusive, smart looks, very bright one. This one also very exclusive one, premium quality, pure handloom, hand spun matka base with golden zari border, and pallu is resham pallu with jamdani work by silver zari, very exclusive one, beautiful, smart looks. This one is full base part. This one is full base part, bright parrot green shade, golden zari border, and full base part is premium quality pure handloom hand spun matka base, soft, comfortable, elegant one. This one is full base part plain, and this one is resham pallu with fine hand weaving jamdani design. This one is resham pallu with silver zari hand weaving work. Fine weaving design, very exclusive one, smart, elegant looks. This one is running blouse piece, stripes pattern, and this one is resham pallu, silver zari hand weaving jamdani work, and this one is full base part. Very elegant, bright, exclusive looks. Golden zari border, handloom hand spun matka, and I will suggest this brocade work, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant, exclusive, smart looks. Very bright, gorgeous also. This one also bright, beautiful color, premium quality pure handloom cotton silk material, bright blue shade, royal blue shade with gicha threaded weaving design, border and pallu. Very nice one. This one is full base part, beautiful one. This one is gicha threaded weaving design, border, temple pattern weaving design, border, pure handloom cotton silk material, and full base part is beautiful weaving Buddha design. Very fine one. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand weaving design, gicha threaded weaving, highlighted Buddha stripes pattern with beautiful weaving design, contrast color with gicha threaded weaving design, pallu. This one is pallu part, and this one is full base part, beautiful one, bright color, premium quality pure handloom cotton silk material, and this one is border design, temple pattern, gicha threaded weaving design, border, and full base part is beautiful fine gicha threaded Buddha. Very smart, elegant, exclusive looks. And I will suggest this silk material, golden shade, self weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant, bright, exclusive looks. Very beautiful color, pure muslin with hand weaving jamdani work, very exclusive, bright, elegant looks, premium quality pure handloom muslin silk with jamdani work, jamdani buta and pallu. Very nice one. This one is border portions, beautiful fully hand weaving fine design, border stripes pattern. This one is fully fine weaving design, stripes pattern, border, and this one is full base part fine weaving buta work, fully hand weaving jamdani buta and pure muslin silk, beautiful color, bright bottle green shade. This one is full base part, beautiful one, transparent with beautiful hand weaving work, border and buta. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color, white threaded weaving design, fully beautiful hand weaving heavy work pallu. This one is piece motif stripes pattern, highlighted the pallu with beautiful weaving Buddha design. Very nice one, smart, elegant, exclusive looks, pure handloom muslin jamdani. Very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material checks with Buddha work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, elegant, smart looks. Best for your party wear, outstanding party wear. Very beautiful one. And today I have draped a pink shade premium quality pure handloom silk linen material with beautiful embroidery design, fine embroidery design. Very nice one. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, golden zari fine stripes pattern pallu, and full base part is beautiful fine embroidery design. Very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.